Hi guys. So in the last video we have seen how to install or how to sign in the Zoom and how to schedule the meeting. Now we'll see how you can start the session and how you can share anything from the screen, right? So we'll follow the step by step. Let's start. So last time I had create this particular stuff, this meeting things, right? So here after creating, you can see here start this meeting. You can see here, right, the button. If not, if you have logged in again, so how you can see? You can see in this manner. Let me show you that. Yes. So once you will log in, it will come to your profile. Click on the meetings. So you can see this. So I have given the name of demo of the topic name. This is the meeting ID and schedule a meeting. So what we need to do, we need to just click on start. Otherwise you can go to the topic, start this meeting. This is the two way you can start the meeting. Okay. If you want to edit something, you can click on the edit this meeting and you can edit it. So let's take an example. I just wanted to show you a few things. Let me click on the edit. I have clicked on it and I want to allow all the students before the host. Means I was having some issues or I was working in somewhere else and I got late to my session, so I didn't start yet, but I want my students not to wait and they can join to the session. So in that scenario I can click this button, enable button, so that before I start the meeting, student can at least enter to the meetings and the sessions and they will be waiting in the session. If I will not click this, then they can see only loading button. So that I think students might not get good feedback. So it will be have these options to open so that students can at least join the session properly. Okay. So I click this link and save it. So this is how you can do edit as well. Okay. Now the point is here, let's start and see how we can share the screen and start the session. So let me click on start this meeting. So I'll click on open URL. So meanwhile, I need to open my PPT or the Word document which I want to show it. So I have opened it. So I have opened the PPT already. Why to waste the time? So meanwhile it's connecting everything. Now I can click on join with computer audio. So if you are using headphone, then here only you have to select. It will give the options. Okay. So now recording I don't want to start, so I will pause it. Okay. And this is the mute button. So I don't want to start anything. I don't want to talk with students now. Let student join first, then I will start. So I can do it mute. Okay. So this is start video and this is your mic. This is audio button. Now this is participants list. So all the participations, students or anybody, they will be having here the names, right? So this is host. So I have the master, I have opened it, I have started the session, so it's become a host. Okay. So if someone is joining here, you can see it here. Okay. So this is the basic procedure. Now let's start with the session. So what I need to do, I need to share the screen. So here you can see chat options also is there, security options also is there. So what it is and how we need to use it, I'll show you later, or now also you can see it. Chat is nothing but you can chat with all the students or any private. Okay, this is the options to chat with everyone. All the participant can see your message. Security is something whether you want to enable the meeting or not. So once student has been joined, Zoom has told to everybody that once student has joined, you need to lock the meeting for the security perspective. So once the session start, you have entered as a host, you check that all the participants already joined. You can lock the meeting via clicking this security. So if you locked it, then nobody can join after that. So that's the reason they have given these options for the lock meeting, which is a security perspective. Okay, we'll end up here. In the next, we'll see how to share the screen, and as well as I'll show you how you can use the pen tool and how you can change the slide, how you can teach, show you in the next video. Thank you.